Okay, so this is my 1989 GT Dyno BMX. This is a vintage frame set, all in chrome. This is the frame set, 17-inch top tube, 1-inch headset, 22.2mm seat tube, and standardized American bottom brackets with a 3/8mm dropout, or 3/8, yeah, dropout from both front and rear. And you see there, dyno, just to make you see this. The handlebar right here, it's 27 inches wide. Here's the fork. It's 1-inch headset, as you see right there. That is the dyno logo. Okay, for the parts that's gonna go on this build, okay, let's start off with a GT American bottom bracket kit, 22mm, a BMX crank set in black. This is about 175mm, I think, in length. I got a GT sprocket here in silver, 33T. The Haro grips, Haro plastic pedals, the Odyssey seat post clamp with a cable router, genuine Haro vintage headset in silver, Sunlight 16-tooth rear cassette, single speed. KMC chain here, 1 speed. It's in black and silver. Axle extenders, like kind of like a substitute for pegs. Stem quill here. This is 1 inch. This is a Sakai made in Japan. It has the center bolt, quill bolt with the hole in the middle for the brake cable insert for the front brakes. A seat post is about 16 inches by, of course, for you vintage builders out there, by Pork Chop BMX. A Haro seat. For the front brakes, I got an Odyssey 1999 set. This is for the front. For the rear, I got a vintage type center pull brake. And for my front brake levers, I got a Dycomp Dytech 77 in white with the brake locks right here, and of course with a clamp. Okay, for an added feature, I got some GT pad set. And for the detanglers, it's kind of like an aftermarket 1-inch detangler. I have here a Black Ops in silver wheel set here. This is a Wheel by Wheel Masters. Now I decided to go with a flatland tire. This is a Odyssey Frequency G redesigned by Chase Gwynn. This is one of my favorite tires that I've been using for the past 15 years, and I love it. Wheel set, frame set, and all the parts that's gonna go with this vintage build. So again, this is a 1989 GT DYNO Compe frame in chrome. All right. Let's begin this build.